first rank goes to G. Alekhya. 3 members are sharing. K. Sahrita, N. V. Shanmugapriya. Second rank goes to K. Harshavardhan. Third rank goes to D. Thanvin. S7 first prize goes to N. V. Shanmugapriya. Second rank goes to K. Sahrita. Third rank goes to G. Alekhya. Okay, congratulations. And your sports and games. 6th class skipping. Girls first prize goes to Meenakshi. Second prize goes to K. Akshaya. And 6th class musical chairs for girls. First prize goes to N. Harshini. Second prize goes to K. Akshaya. 6th class running race boys. First prize goes to T. Anil.